Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Practice with Rakesh. So in this video, I'm going to share about how was my day today. So I'm going to share this. Okay, so I will actually share everything in English, in slow English. Okay, so you can just understand what I'm saying. Okay, so first I got up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then immediately I went to washroom. Okay, I actually took shower. Then I came back to my room. Okay, and after that I drank lukewarm water. So first actually I warmed up water. Okay, after that I drank lukewarm water. Then it's my daily routine. Actually after that I sat on the yoga mat and I started doing yoga. So I did yoga for 3 hours. So first 1 hour I did pranayam. Okay, pranayam like alom bilom, bhastrika pranayam. Okay, but maximum actually I like alom bilom, bhastrika pranayam. Okay, and kapal bhati also. Okay, after that, after 1 hour, so I did stretching. So I did stretching like I actually did some yoga posture. Okay, for my back. Okay, and maximum actually I like to do stretching for my back because I had some back pain. So that's why I like it. I had back pain because actually I fell from the bike. So that was the reason. So then after that, I did everything. Okay, I finished yoga. Okay, then I actually took a 5 minute rest. Okay, and after that, I actually took some fruit. Okay, I cut fruits. Okay, and took that fruits like apple, guava, papaya. Okay, so I took all these fruits, and then I took one soaked walnut and almond, and also I took sesame seed. I took 2 spoons of sesame seed with honey. So that is my first diet before breakfast. Then I actually had my breakfast. Actually, I do not have breakfast. I just take 2 time meal in a day. So first in morning time and then after in evening time. Okay. So I had food. Okay, like at 10 o'clock because today was holiday. Today was holiday on the occasion of Dasera. So today I had meal at 10:30 a.m. Okay, after after taking meal, I actually took some supplement. These days actually I'm taking supplement. Okay, like omega 3, omega 6 vitamins. Okay, so some kind of supplement I'm taking these days. Then I remembered one thing, that my mom actually told me that you have to come to the field and bring grass. So I went to the field. So this field is actually 500 meter far from our home. So I went there. So my mom actually met me on the way. So my mom said, go and bring that bundle of grass. So I went there. So on the way, there was a guava tree. So in that guava actually was very sweet. I picked some guava in polythene, okay, and after that I went to my field. So I actually lifted bundle of grass and I walked back to my home. Okay, then I after that I actually came to my room. Okay, and today in morning actually I didn't sweep the floor. So then I actually swept the floor, and after that I sat on my chair and do my work. So work in the sense, these day I'm doing work from home like a online business. So after doing that work, actually I sat on my chair, okay, and I opened my laptop and started doing work. So this is online business these days I'm doing, okay. So it has been 5 and 6 months, and I'm growing day by day in my business, and I'm also enjoying my work. So this is very nice business that I'm doing. Then after actually I did work 3 hours for 3 hours. After that I had 1 hour's nap, afternoon nap, okay. And I got up like in 3 o'clock, yeah. After having a nap, I got up at 3 o'clock, and then after actually I was not feeling hungry. I took green tea, okay. And after I went to outside in home yard, okay. So the weather actually today, the weather was very shiny, okay. uh, uh, Today actually sun had come out, okay. So the weather was shiny. So the thing is that today there was a feast, okay. There was a feast nearby our home, like 500 meters. So that feast was in our relatives home, okay. So I had to go, but my mood actually changed, okay. So I didn't go, okay, because today I was not in mood to eat rice and that 5 and 6 type of vegetables and pulse. Actually I was not in mood to have this, okay. So today actually after like in 4 o'clock, I was sitting with my mom in, okay. And my mom said, if you can make chapati, then go in the kitchen and make chapati. So that's my mom order. So I can't procrastinate my mom order. So I actually today I made chapati for my mom, dad, and me. I just made chapati, okay. So I made, then another thing. Then after making chapati, I walked down to my room, okay, because our kitchen is in first floor. I walked down to my room and I started doing exercise again. So that was my second time evening exercise. So today I did chest exercise. I did some dips and chest exercise. Okay. So after that, 1 hour I actually did exercise. Did that exercise and I went to kitchen, and I also called my grandmother. My grandmother is 92-year-old. I called her to have a dinner because we actually take dinner together, all family together. Okay. First of all, we all actually call one to another. We come to the kitchen and have dinner. So gather there, we gather there and we had dinner. So dinner was very delicious. All the pulse that was actually that was brought from the feast, all the pulse was very tasty. So I actually took all some pulse, okay, some pulse, and then after dinner, I walked just for 30 minutes in the home yard, okay. And after that, I thought I should shoot the video about my today's routine. I hope you like it. So that was my day. I actually spent my day like this. So please comment and tell me how I am speaking. I'm speaking right? Yeah, I'm speaking wrong. So please tell me. Your valuable comments actually will boost my confidence. So thank you very much.